Let's go ahead and start with one of my favorite exhaust here. This is the one that I was telling you guys. This is the Arrow Pista GP exhaust. It comes from the World Superbike spec. We have the muffler. We also have the full exhaust system in stock, guys. Full titanium exhaust system in, guys. But look at this, how neat this looks on the bike. So the slip-on, as you see, comes with this mounting bracket to go on this rear set. The full exhaust system has a different geometry. This particular exhaust can go with the Arrow headers, like the full headers. Also goes with the Akrapovic full headers. We get this version in a longer can and a shorter can. This particular one is a shorter can, but it looks very neat. Looks amazing. The reason I say this is because it looks very similar to the Evolution exhaust system from Akrapovic, but it has different geometries, different tail sections with the carbon fiber, whereas the other one gets like the full carbon fiber with like the titanium tail section. So you can mix and match. I mean, I love how this looks on the motorcycle as well. If we could have gotten this with like the full glossy carbon, this would be the one that I'll go with. But let's start it up. Let's hear this one out now, and then let's start the motorcycle. Started at around 90 decibels. It was very similar to how the longer cans are. So I mean, that's not the point there, what I wanted to stress. I like the look of this exhaust. Now let's heat it up a little bit so that we can do our 5000 RPM and the 8000 RPM test.